Let's continue with our logical board printing. So we already have this. Let's add like top row labels like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and left hand label 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start from 0. Okay. So what I mean is we'll print something like here. Let's put the comma, enter, paste. Yeah. So what I mean is I want to put something like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Let's do this first. So how to do that? Easy. For loop, right? So yeah, we can do something like hard-coded DESC appended with, I can just copy this one, right? Oh, okay, copy, paste. Let's test it by clicking here. Oh, we need a line break right here, and we need a space in front of the 0. So that one, and DSC, add a line break here. It should work now. Test. Yeah, pretty good. But this is hard-coded, so let's make it flexible, dynamic, based on this one, right? So let's do a for loop I in 0 dot less than columns. No, we have to use this one because it's static. Yeah. So how can we implement that using the for loop? So DESC append yeah, we need this syntax, right? To convert a number to a string. So I here, and because we need a space in front of it, so it's like that. Now we can comment out this line to see what happened. Oh, cool, it works. And another thing I want to show you is there's a shortcut key to run all the test cases automatically using a shortcut key. Combination is Command U. Yeah, because we have only one test case here, so it doesn't matter. So your command view is convenient, right? Command U again, run. Yeah, test here. So now we can delete that here. Next, let's try to add a label here on the left. Let's put it here. So 0, 1, right? 2, 3, 4, like that. Of course, we want to push that to the right by 2 space. How can we do that? So we need to insert a number, right, in front of each row. So here is each row. In front of, yeah, this is one row. So in front of that, so we'll insert the code before it. So DESC plus equal backslash, right? The number row and a space. Let's give it a try. Command U. Okay, there's an extra space here because we already have a space in front of each dot, so we don't need that one here. So we already have that. It means we can remove this one, this space. Another thing is we need to add one more space for the first row. One more space. One more space. So we can add it here. Yes. Command U. Perfect. Here. That's our empty board printing. Now, let's add another data structure or data type to represent a snake cell on the board, right? A snake cell. For example, our snake is that, right? It occupies 3 cells. So we need something to represent a cell. Okay, so let's create one. Under this one, new file. We'll use a suite file here. What's the name? Snake cell. Okay. So what kind of fields or data type or properties do we need for that? We still use the struct for the data type. Snake cell. What do we need? Think about that. How can we represent a cell here? The column 3 and the row 1, right? Column 3 here. Yeah. So to represent a cell here, we can use a pair of numbers, right? Integers, 3 and 1. So let's do it. That column data type int. Yeah. That row data type, yeah, int. So this is one of our model. It's called the model of the game of the application. One of our model structs or data types. So now we can use this one as the unit of our snake. So we can create an array of snake cell to represent the whole snake. Let's do it here. Snake. Data type, an array of snake cell. Snake cell. What's its initial value? An empty array. So with that, we can, in our test file here, we can create our a single cell for a single cell snake. So let's create a snake cell here. snake cell equals snake cell. Let's create one here. Snakes, no. That's command B to trigger the compiler to compile. Now snake cell, yeah. Let's use the autocomplete, yeah. Enter. So we need to provide the two data, right? Two parameters. We call it the arguments here. So column, that's yeah, use this as an example here. So 3 1, okay, column 3 row 1. We can insert this cell into the snake array. So how to do that? Board dot snake dot append, right? New append, new element. So the data type for the element is snake cell. So we can insert this one. Snake cell. This is this one. It's not this one. Okay, so why does it complain? Oh, it complains because this one we are changing the board, so we cannot use let here. And when we click this one, it will auto fix for us. Fix, yeah. It changed this from let to var. It complains again? No, okay. But if we print the board, right, we can see the empty board because we haven't handled the snake on the description of the board yet. Let's give it a try anyway. Yeah, still empty. In our next video, we'll try to display the snake, okay, on the board. See you next time.